Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to Talk Basha. I don't know how long this video is going to be or how short it is going to be. And I wasn't even planning to make a video on this topic, but I guess here I am. Last night around 10:30 the news broke. Messi and Barcelona's contract negotiations have completely collapsed. At around 11:30 the news was made official by the club pages. Messi will not be staying at Barcelona next season. To be honest, I'm shocked, I'm devastated, I'm sad, I'm angry. I can't accept the news, understand the news. I don't want to accept and understand the news. But I guess the harsh reality is that Messi will not be a Barcelona player next season. And we have to accept that. Although I want to have some hope, might be in the next few days, in the next few weeks, something happens and Messi might end up staying at FC Barcelona. But those chances of happening are very slim right now as the situation stands. There was a press conference done by Joan Laporta at around 2:30. He did say about post-Messi era or something. I don't want to listen to these words because these words really hurt deep down. I don't want to hear about the post-Messi era. I don't want to believe that the Messi is about to leave Barcelona. But whatever, I have to thank Lionel Messi for giving us such joy, giving us such immense pleasure, giving us moments of brilliance, giving us moments of magic, making us fall in love with this beautiful game, making me fall in love with this beautiful game, giving us moments to cherish, moments to enjoy. And I hope wherever he does end up staying in the next season, he gets trophies, he wins trophies, especially the UEFA Champions League. He has been trying to get that, but he couldn't do it with FC Barcelona. Now, there have been links circulating that PSG might be interested, Man City are interested, they are putting in offers. We have to wait and see how things turn out to be. There was something news coming that La Liga did offer FC Barcelona, Real Madrid, and other also clubs a CVC partner program where 10% of the stake of La Liga will be sold to them, and around 270 million will be given to Barcelona and 260 million to Real Madrid. But the clubs didn't accept it. They thought monetary issues or like TV issues, TV rights will be gone and they can't do it for the next 50 years. The contract was around for 50 years. So Barcelona decided not to accept that contract. And for that reason, there was a choice for Barcelona either to accept that and sign Messi or to not accept it and let Leo Messi go. Laporta did say the Barcelona is around 122 years old and the club is of the president, coach, the world's best player. And you have to accept that. It's very sad and disappointing. But the truth is that Messi will not be FC Barcelona player next season. I'm saying it once again. I still dearly hope there might be something that can be done or some changes, something happens at around the next few weeks, next few days. Something miracle happens and Messi ends up staying at FC Barcelona. We Barcelona fans will be the most happiest person. To all the coolers out there, to all the Barcelona fans out there watching this video, I understand your pain, understand what you are going through, but stay strong. I will be back doing videos once again. I will be back. I wasn't even planning to make this video, to be honest. I was planning on making contract renewal. Last night I was thinking about how to make a contract renewal video, but everything happened so fast. It was hard to digest. It was hard to understand. But I guess situations right now is that is it. Messi, FC Barcelona. It's coming to an end after 18 years. That is it. I will be back making videos once again. I will be back with the Johan Camphor Trophy match reviews, and all the transfer roundup. And if anything else happens, I will keep you guys posted. I'll keep you guys updated. It wasn't like we were trying to negotiate with a player who wasn't interested in staying. The club wanted to keep him. Messi wanted to stay. He even took a pay cut. But that wasn't enough. The whole renewal completely collapsed just because of financial conditions. But whatever it is, I want to wish Lionel Messi all the very best in his future. So that is it for today's video, guys. Stay strong. Visca Barça.